Hello, good morning everyone. Today is my lecture on comparison between homonuclear diatomic molecule and heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Myself, Praveen Kadam, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Kharedere Bhosle College, Guwahati. As you know, as a homonuclear diatomic molecule and heteronuclear diatomic molecule, today's I have to explain for the comparison. First of all, we can take as a homonuclear diatomic molecule. Homonuclear diatomic molecule contain two atoms of the same elements. In heteronuclear diatomic molecules contain two atoms of different element. Means there is present as the same atoms. You can take as two atoms are same. In the heteronuclear diatomic molecules, there are present two atoms, but two atoms are different. Then another second one is homonuclear diatomic molecules are substance composed of two atoms of the same chemical element bonded to each other via covalent bonds. Same elements will be created as a covalent bond. In heteronuclear diatomic molecules are substance composed of two atoms of two different chemical elements bonded to each other via covalent bond or ionic bond. This third, stable isotopes are very stable and do not undergo radioactive decay. There are present as stable isotopes. Isotopes means same atomic number but different mass numbers. In heteronuclear atomic molecules have atoms of different chemical elements, therefore do not create as isotopes. The two atoms of the homonuclear molecules are the same, thus the electronegativity is also equal. Means same atoms, it's the same electronegativity. Suppose you can take as an example is a C2. There are present two atoms. Carbon is electronegativity is 2.5, another is carbon is a 2.5. Therefore electronegativity is same. But the heteronuclear atom molecule, the two atoms of the heteronuclear molecules are not same. Thus, the electronegativity is also not equal. Not same atoms. Therefore, electronegativity is different. Homonuclear atom molecules have non-polar covalent bonds, and heteronuclear atom molecules have polar covalent bond. Same atoms, non-polar. Different atoms, they will be created as a pole. One is positive, another is negative. Therefore, heteronuclear atom molecules is polar covalent bonds. Same as it is, homonuclear atomic molecules have identical atoms, means same atoms. Heteronuclear atomic molecules have different atoms. I have to mention here some examples because you can easily understand. Hydrogen molecule is H2, contains single bond between two hydrogen atoms. There are present two hydrogen atoms, but present as one single bond, and both hydrogens are same. We can discuss before as a homonuclear atomic molecules, the diagrammatically how to design, how to create molecular orbital inner level diagrams, and they calculate its a bond order. And then we will be show as how many bond between two atoms. This is also single bonds. The second example is oxygen molecule. It contains double bond between two atoms, two oxygen atoms. Between two oxygen atoms means its bond order is two. Therefore, between two atoms bond present as a bond, one is sigma, another is pi bonds. Third example is nitrogen molecule N2 contains a triple bond between two nitrogen atoms, one sigma bond and two pi bonds. Its bond order is a 3, therefore present as a 3 bonds. We can apply for heteronuclear atom molecules. Nitrogen oxide is NO has a double bond between the nitrogen atom and oxygen atoms. There are different atoms, nitrogen and oxygen, therefore included in the heteronuclear atom molecules. Another is carbon monoxide has a triple bond between carbon and oxygen atoms. This is very important comparison of the homonuclear and heteronuclear diatomic molecules, and these points are included in your syllabus. Therefore, you can understand, read it carefully, and this question asked in examination. Therefore, you can prepare it. This point are included in your syllabus. Therefore, focus on the heteronuclear diatomic molecules which are different from the homonuclear diatomic molecules. First is the effect of different electronegativity. There is present as a different atoms, different electronegativity which affect on the molecular orbital energy level diagrams. The two atoms are of different element. There is always difference in electronegativity between the two atoms. Means different atoms. You can take some examples I have to mention here. CO molecule, CN molecule, NO molecules. Carbon and O is oxygen. Different atoms. Carbon, nitrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Therefore, including the heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Molecules which have different atoms. I have to mention, I have to detail explain for one of the example as a CO molecule. In CO molecule, the electronegativity of carbon on the Pauling scale is 2.6. Its electronegativity is 2.6 of the carbon, and oxygen is a 3.5. The different electronegativity because it is a different atom, therefore it's a different electronegativity. But you know, as a carbon is electronegativity 2.6 and oxygen is a 3.5. Which affect on the inner level diagrams. I have to mention here the atomic orbital of more electronegative oxygen will be of lower energy level than the atomic orbital of less electronegative atom of carbon. Electronegativity high, it will be present in the lower energy level. Electronegativity will low comparatively for the another atom. It's present in the higher energy level. I have to mention next examples. The bonding electrons will spend greater time near the nucleus of the more electronegative element. Hence, in a heteronuclear atomic molecule, the electron distribution is unequal or asymmetrical. There are different atoms, therefore, the contribution is unequal, means the structural arrangement is unasymmetrical. Another J and U, J is a centrosymmetric, G-red, and U is ungerade, is a non-centrosymmetric. These properties do not apply to it because these are unsymmetrically, unequally. Therefore, do not explain is a G and U property. The electron density is a more around the oxygen atom in a CO molecules comparatively for the electron density. Higher electronegativity, higher electron density. Therefore, comparatively for the oxygen is more electronegative. Therefore, its a electronegativity is a high comparatively for the carbon. Therefore, I have to mention here electron density is more around the oxygen atom comparatively for the carbon. Second point, effect of covalent bond energy. Means its bond is a covalent nature or ionic nature. Comparatively higher covalent bonding, lower covalent bonding is mentioned in the molecular orbital energy level diagrams. I have to compare for the homonuclear diatomic molecules first of all. You know, as a this is the homonuclear diatomic molecules, and they represent same atoms, same energy level, same symmetry, comparable, matching symmetry, comparable energy, matching symmetry. Both are overlap. One is a bonding, another is a anti-bonding. I have to look here. In homonuclear diatomic molecules, atomic orbitals of the two similar atoms have the same energy level. This is same energy levels. Also noted for the comparable energy, same symmetry and formation, good overlapping to form is one is bonding, another is a anti-bonding. Hence, the bonding molecular orbitals have lower energy level. Means atomic orbital. One form the bonding, another form the anti-bonding. Bonding is a lower energy level, anti-bonding is a higher energy level. Hence, the bonding molecular orbital have lower energy level than the atomic orbitals. This difference is referred to as exchange energy delta E, and it is maximum in homonuclear diatomic molecules. Just look, as both atoms are same. This is comparable energy. How will calculate delta E as the exchange energy between the this difference to this one bonding. Do not include for the anti-bonding. Only bonding to orbitals. Position of the orbitals. This is the exchange energy. This is a both are overlap. One is bonding molecular orbital, another is a anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Sigma, sigma star. Homonuclear diatomic molecules. This diagram is carefully see because you can compare it the heteronuclear diatomic molecules. Both atoms are same energy level, same symmetry. They are overlap. One is bonding is a sigma and antibonding is a sigma star. Bonding is a lower energy level comparable for the atomic orbitals, and another is a higher energy comparative for the atomic orbitals. They are same, therefore is a delta E is a high comparative for the heteronuclear diatomic molecules. This is the heteronuclear diatomic molecules diagrammatically as like this. Can show here different atoms with different electronegativity. In heteronuclear atomic molecules, the exchange energy is reduced because the atomic orbitals are not of the same energy level, hence there is a reduction of exchange energy. Reduction of the exchange energy, just look. This is two atoms are different atoms, A and B, not the same, therefore this diagram including the heteronuclear atom molecules. Both are overlap, one is bonding, another is a anti-bonding, but A is a higher energy level, B is a lower energy level. Why? Because B atom is an higher electronegativity compared for the A. Higher electronegativity is present in the lower energy level, and low electronegativity in the present in the higher energy level. Therefore, this is an asymmetrical contribution, asymmetrical changes of the both atoms A and B. And then you can calculate is a delta E. Therefore, its a delta E is comparatively decreases comparatively of the homonuclear atom molecules. Exchange energy is decreases. Therefore, I have to mention here reduction of the exchange energy. And so here example is a heteronuclear atom molecule, no doubt, but A and B is exchange energy is decreases. Why? Because large electronegativity difference. As compared for the B atom is a higher electronegativity as compared for the A. Therefore, exchange energy is decreases. And you know about as a electronegativity difference between two atoms is a increases, its a covalent character is a decreases, ionic character is a increases. This is very important. No doubt homonuclear atom molecule and heteronuclear atom molecules both are formed as a covalent one, but the electronegativity difference is increases, exchange energy is a decreases, reduction of the exchange energy, and their effect on the bonding nature is the bond present is a ionic bond. Formation with the ionic bondation, ionic bonds. If the electronegative difference of the combining atom is very low, that is very large, that is very low delta E. Is a electronegative difference is increases, its a delta E is a decreases. Then the bond is has very little covalent characters. In this case, bonding molecular orbital does not differ to a significant extent from the atomic orbitals of the more electronegative elements. This is because the energy level of B is so much lower than the energy level of A. You can discuss here. Hence, the covalent contribution into such a bond is very little, and bond is predominantly ionic in the nature. This is very important point. No doubt, homonuclear and heteronuclear atom molecules both are created as a covalent bond, but its delta E value, electronic difference is increases, delta E value is decreases. Then effect on the nature of the bonding between two atoms. It predominantly in the ionic natures. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.